How to integrate Clickup to Google Docs. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can approve or do a connection within Clickup and the source of documentations, which is going to be from Google and it is Google Docs. So it is not going to be a direct connection, but we are going to have a Google product that will serve to have the uploaded or search or create the specific documents into it, which is going to be Google Drive. So we're going to head over a ClickUp, sign in for our account, and you're going to see the dashboard. Now, what we're going to do is to start connecting the app of Google Drive. How we can do that, we're going to head over the header or the right side of the header of the app. Click on Quick More or Quick Action menu. And from here, we are going to have the App Center. Click on it. And from here, we're going to search for a certain app. Click on the search button or the search bar and type in Google. You're going to see all of the Google products that we have in here. So basically, we are going to choose Google Drive. When you click on it, you're going to see that it is going to be a built app by ClickUp. We're going to see that we can easily attach, create, and search for Google Drive files directly within ClickUp. And what else we have from Google Drive files like Google Spreadsheet, Google Docs, and etc. Also Google Slides. So we can go ahead and have this connection for personal accounts or workspaces. So I'm going to use it only for the work or the personal space. You can go ahead and see that we are going to have some features and some commands as you can see. Now, we're going to see the features that we can have a personal connected search, which is going to be on the Business Plus plan. Create attachments, which is going to be unfortunately on the unlimited plan. Quickly attach Google Drive files to your task and comments. This one is going to be search both public and private files from your connected account. And we can see that we can preview Google Drive links in ClickUp. So you're going to see the links live without opening them and synchronize the visualization of the link directly in ClickUp, like just the Notion connection. Now for the command, as you can see, we're going to find that the creating a new Google Doc is going to be mentioned in here. So create a new Google Doc and opens it in a new tab. So this is going to be something that is going to be very simple. Now, for more documentation about the Google Drive or the integration of Google Drive for ClickUp, you can go ahead and click on documentation in here and have the full documentation and take your time reading it. So you're going to maybe get some more effective guide to how we can work with Google Drive. So you can go ahead and create or show the scratch sheet or Google Sheets spreadsheets. You can create a new Google Sheet or a Google Slide, like I have mentioned before. So now I'm going to click on Connect, and then we're going to have the account of ours. I'm going to click on Connect. So as you can see, I have selected a Google account. What I am going to do in here is to select what ClickUp can access. So I'm going to click on Select All. Basically, we're going to give the access of ClickUp for see and editing or creating and deleting all of the Google Drive files. For example, see and edit, create specific driven files, and etc. Click on continue. So we're going to see that it is going to be connected. You can go ahead and create or put a connection for multiple Google Drive accounts, and it is going to be okay. So in here, as you can see, we have connected only one. So I'm going to be satisfied myself by this. So in here, you're going to exit this specific window, and here we can have the commands. So let me show you how we can access the commands. I'm going to exit here, and we're going to visit up the command center. How we can visit the command center or access it, it is going to be easy. Either you're going to click on the search bar, or you're going to press Control K, just like that. Now, you can go ahead and have the commands. So you can go ahead and type in either, for example, docs. You can go ahead and have the docs in here so you can integrate the docs if you are going to have them in here, or you can go ahead and click on everything. For example, at the search, type in Google, and you're going to see the commands. The first one is going to be create a new Google Doc. So we're going to do that. Click on it, and it will open up Google Docs, and instantly you're going to have the fastest access that you're going to have on Google. So as you can see, it was a blast. So that was the most important thing in here. Now I'm going to have also some other commands like Google and see what do we have. Also for the Google Drive, you can go ahead and have a Google Drive or open up the Google Drive to see the Google Docs of yours. That was a command. Now, let's head over more advanced a little bit of things. So, as you can see, or as you know, Google Docs is going to be well known for creating documentations or documents. You can go ahead and head over your document section on Clickup, and then you can have here the imported Google Doc. How we can have it, basically, it is going to be simple. When you're going to be in here, click on the expandable menu on Create Doc, and then we're going to have import. So we are going to import the documents. So as you can see, we have any documents, and from these documents, we have Word and Google Docs. So you're going to select Google Docs, and then you're going to attach or put the link of your Google Doc in here. And this type of connection that we have made through Google Drive will allow us to link in or make a pre-visualization of the document that we want or the file that we have. How we can get that, basically, if you're going to have a workspace, head over it, and then you're going to select maybe a task that you have. For example, I'm going to select a task. So I'm going to click on this one and having a task like that. Click on that task and it is going to be opening up. Now, what I am going to do is maybe to add, for example, a link. And that link is going to be copied and let's say here, paste it right there. So it is going to be supporting Google Drive, Google Docs, and etc. So maybe you're going to have Google Docs. So we are going to type in Google and type in Google Docs. So we are going to have the Google Docs. I'm going to open it up and then we're going to see the file. So let's choose one of the files that we have. Maybe I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to have this, the brochure. So wait for it. Now we're going to have the access or share the access of that file, and we're going to have the general access to anyone with a link. We're going to copy that link, make sure that it is going to be public, and we're going to have the link added. So I'm going to paste my link in here, and we are going to have the, as you can see, the pre-visualization of it. So this is the description, the title. It is going to be importing that automatically, and only you need to click on add link. So this is the Google, as you can see, pre-visualization for the doc. And also when you click on it, it will take you directly to the Google Docs. So aside from that, as you can see, everything is going to be much simplified. Everything is going to be uploaded. Also, you can go ahead and have the maybe some downloaded Google Docs, and you can go ahead and upload them right there. And they are going to read them as attachments. For the specified Google Docs, you need only the links. So, as you can remarked or noticed, it is going to be very easy to install or have the Google Docs inserted in here. So you can go ahead and have them into a specific task, into a specific folder. Also, you can go ahead and add a card specific for docs, as you can see in here, and you're going to see all the docs that you have. So for example, I'm going to click on as a view or in sidebar. Doesn't matter a lot in here as long as you are going to have the docs added in here. So if you are going to be having a Google Docs and you want not the link but the doc itself, you can go ahead and head over Google Docs, or you can go ahead and type in Google Docs just like that. I'm going to open up my brochure, for example. I'm going to download my file. This is something that you need. So we have here the file. We're going to have it as docs. So we are going to download it just like this. Now, we can go ahead and have your file added. So I am going to have my file. So how we can have our file? Basically, I'm going to head over my specific in here project. Then I can go ahead and head over, for example, docs in here, click on import, and I'm going to have any document. I'm going to drag and drop it just in here. So maybe the drag and drop option will not be sufficient or it will not work. So this is the brochure. So we are going to click on import. So it is going to be start importing. I'm going to start the import and you're going to see that you're going to get the status. Check the status, and when the import is going to be done, you're going to find it on the imports. Normally, when you're going to have here the ClickUp options, so you're going to head over the docs, you're going to see the brochure in here. So also you can go ahead and have it right there. So I can go ahead and do the same thing and see my docs added by adding them into the tasks. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.